Starting from the Jenny Wade House, you can actually see the front of the 1863 Inn and all the levels that it has for rooms. This actually was a Holiday Inn way back in the 90s and is located right across the street from a gas station, meaning it is centrally located for pretty much anything that you might want to do in Gettysburg. It has this nice little overhang so you can drive your car up and not get rained on, which we had during our last trip. These are the main rooms, and the annex is actually in the back, which I will show you a little later. Coming in through the main front doors, you have your elevator on the right. You have two of them. Main check-in is right there. There's a small little coffee bar and tea area right there. And then we walk down the hall. On the left, you can see a business station, which has a printer, a single computer, but you know what? It's nice that it's there. Coming back across, you have the area for breakfast. If you get here between 6 and 10, here you can see a spread of what they have. I tried to get everybody out of the picture, but just didn't luck out. But you can see everything that you have. It's a normal continental breakfast. Coming back around, you have an actual dining area for your continental breakfast, as well as a lounge area in the back, which is kind of nice because you've got these more cushioned seating and a nice table there. It gives nice ambiance to where you actually are. And all the way down the hall is actually a larger meeting room that I was not able to get into. Coming back around to the front and the elevators, we're going to walk by that little coffee area as well as the front check-in. Here you can see a fireplace with a few high-back chairs. Now, when you come here during the cooler months, this will actually be turned on and you can hang out. Again, during the time frame I was here, weren't exactly asking people to stay in one location inside for long periods of time. This is a jump cut up to the elevator, which is showing how you can take the main floor to the third floor and then get to the annex that way. Here we have the back of the hotel and the swimming pool, which again, because I came off season and times being what they are currently, was closed. Here on the left, you can actually see the annex building, which has a few extra rooms. You can see that there are a few rooms in the annex that do face the pool. However, my particular room, which was 383, faced the parking lot on the other side, which we'll see momentarily.
Really wish this door would work. It's got no handle.
This is an interior shot of the back door to the annex building, which does not have a handle to get back in on the exterior. Every day when you wanted to come in, you could walk up these stairs and listen to the sound of the door as it opened and shut, no matter how quiet you were trying to be, as you can hear here. Coming down the hallway, you can see what I meant. Room 383 was the only room on this side that faced away from the pool. So if you were looking for something that did not have a pool side view, this is the one you would get. Also, you can see, nice parking lot, Jenny Wade gift shop to the right there. However, this is also one of the smoking locations on site. So if you have problems being that close to a smoking section, you might want to consider a different room. Here is also a picture of the pool from a slightly different vantage point from up high.
More parking lot. That is a stairwell. That is the room that I had. And that's the Jenny Wade gift shop.
And then, if there was any question as to your proximity to the Jenny Wade house and the center of town, here's a picture of the Jenny Wade house. And right there on the left, you can actually see the 1863 Inn. I did stay in another room in the 1863 Inn, which was called the 1863 room, which was more of a period room, which is just beyond that bush on the left-hand side. It is probably one of the closest rooms that you can have to the Jenny Wade house. You can see all the levels to the 1863 Inn right there, but that particular room is very close. You can almost open your door and jump a little fence, and you'd be right in the backyard of the Jenny Wade house. So if either of those rooms sound interesting to you, I will have links to them at the end of this video so you can check them out and see if they're a place that you would like to stay while staying at the 1863 Inn.